Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you are all well and doing something different and you are learning English from something others. So, in this video I am going to talk about something different. So, let's start. Many people says कि my English grammar is good, but I am not speak English. So which types of practice, which types of grammar, which types of thinking power need to start your English journey. So I'm saying you कि no one your English grammar, no need English grammar, no need peoples, no need any partners. If you start your English journey, so you start your English journey from basic level. If you start your English journey from basic level, so gradually your English make fluent. So start English journey from basic level. If you start English from basic, so gradually your English made better. If you keep practicing daily, if you keep practicing daily, if you keep speaking English in daily, so one day your English become fluent. Many people watch many fluent English speaker video watch daily कि he is English good, he speak English is he is speak English big good, but my English is not good. So he work he do work in your English lots of time. He give it lots of time to improve your English. So you need lots of time. So firstly you start your English journey from daily routine. If you start your English journey daily routine, whatever you do in day, so just sleeping time, keep writing, keep note down in the notebook whatever you do in the day, and again talk to whatever you do in day. So start talk कि when today I wake up usually in the morning at 7 o'clock. Then I go to bathroom to fresh up, to wash my teeth. Then I take bath. Then I dry my whole body with a towel. Then I apply cream on my face. Then I pray to God. Then I prepared food. Then I eat food. Then after eating food, I pack lunch box. Then I get ready for going to college. Before going to college, I touch my parents' foot. I go to college on a foot. Why? Since my college nearby my house, so I go to college on foot. Then I reach my college around 9 o'clock, and I meet my friends, and I talk to my friends, and ask my friends ki, how are you, what are you doing in night, what did you do in night. So this type of communication, this type of conversation, you're talking your friends. Then my first class started of fundamental. So fundamental class takes Ajay sir. So Ajay sir Ajay sir way of teaching style is amazing. Everyone likes Ajay sir teaching style, because whenever Ajay sir teach in class, so everyone follow, everyone listen carefully whenever Ajay sir teaching. So Ajay sir teaching style is amazing. Some teacher is teach, but Ajay sir is a different from others. So after Ajay sir taking class, then second class start fundamental is take Rabita ma'am. So Rabita ma'am is take fundamental classes. So Rabita ma'am is teaching style is good, but many but many friends me says कि many friends says me कि this ma'am is teaching style is good but is not better than Ajay sir. So this type of communication, this type of conversation to talk your friend, this type conversation helpful for your communication skill, for your English journey, to make better, to make improve, as well as improving your knowledge, as well as improving your confidence. If you talk to your friends, if you talk to your parents, if you talk to your stranger, whenever you talk to strangers, so 100% you boost your confidence. So you need this type of activity. If you're doing this type of activity, so 100% you boost your confidence. So start your English journey from basic level. First, if you're talking to anyone, if you go outside, if you go anywhere, just talking to in English. If you're talking to in English, you boost your confidence. You boost your confidence. And whenever you talk to stranger, then after come home, then after come back to home, then after come back to at room, so you realize कि I doing something different from others. Today I am doing something different from others. This type of activity 100% helpful for your English journey. I also doing this type of activity. And second, you're talking to yourself whenever you free, so you're talking to yourself. This type, whenever you free, so you're talking to yourself कि why are you going there, why are you go there, why are you going there, which types of activity are doing there. This type of activity 100% helpful. And again coming this point, then daily routine. So after complete my college, then I back to my home around 4 o'clock. Then I take some rest, then I again eat food, then I check my mobile, some comments, some message are found my in mobile, then give response of this message. Then I go to outside for buying something like a vegetable, like some grocery items, some education items. Then come back again in room, then sit and start studying. After 3 hours complete studying, after 3 hours, then I start talk to my parents. After talking to my friends कि what are you doing now, how are you, how many how at what time, what are you doing, how many hours studying today. This type of conversation very helpful for your. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any suggestion, if you have any thoughts, if you have any comment, if you have any problem, so please write in comment section. I will definitely check out comment section. So again, thank you for love, for your support. I will meet you in next video. So thank you.